Installing your straps and tissue holder onto your sneeze guard is simple and takes very little time. Simply choose which mounting holes fit your driver the best and run your strap through, with the male buckle running through the inner mounting hole. Proceed with installing your tissue holder through the unused mounting holes. You are now ready to install your sneeze guard by Infinite Innovations into your vehicle. The sneeze guard by Infinite Innovations is easy to install. Simply raise your headrest, clip and tighten the included heavy-duty nylon straps around the base of the headrest, then simply lower the headrest to fix the sneeze guard into place. For more information or to order yours today, visit our website www.infparts.com or give us a call at 800-362-6224.